Hello everybody, it's Cranky here, and today I've got a bit of a pick and a gut. I got this Chubb lock in a recent eBay parcel. I think I picked it once, I'm sure that's by luck, and not been able to do it since, and definitely not on camera. But I thought, well, I've never, that I can remember, videoed using a Lishi. And I've got some, and I recently got the AM5 and the M1, M2, the Master Lock one. And I thought, right, I'll have a mess with Lishi. So what I found was quite interesting, which I'll show you. So obviously it must be the keyway, the American keyway, or whichever one that is. Sorry, I'm sure people are shouting at me. So I put my Lishi in. I find that I can get, what do I get the right tension? So I get a click out of 6, and then I found I get a click out of 1. But then if I just jiggle it a bit like that, I get an open. So I'll show you that again. So it's locked. Put the Lishi in. Oops, get the blade down. Don't want to break it. Lishi in. So tension, see, still locked. Click on 6. And then a click on 1. And then a jiggle. And it opens. So I haven't gutted the lock yet. I'm going to do that now so we can all see together. So the other ones, I assume, you know, I'm not quite knowledgeable on everything like that by now. You think I would, but I assume the other ones are 0 lift, or is it that they're up to the right depth because the leash has gone in, and then this, you know, number 6 you pick, and then 1, is it an overlifting thing? Is it, do you know, but anyway, I'm sure you'll all be able to tell me. So let's get it open and have a look. So I would be grateful if somebody could fill me in. That got the right, probably not. Alright, probably not. Ah, yeah. There we are. Just zoom out a bit because you don't want to see my close up of my dirty hands. I do apologise, no matter how many times I clean them throughout the day. Let's just zoom out a bit more. Okay. So let's get all this bit on. So that just drops out, yeah. Right. So this is where it all might go wrong. So it's a crimped core. I haven't got a key. I need a shim. Put that. Do you know what? It's not going to work, is it? Because I've got the key. Oh no, there we are. Because I don't need the key in. It's turned. So yeah. Right. So let's get this one. Is this one? Yep. Oh, do you know my heart stops always whether something's going to fall out. Right, okay, so let's get these down. So that must be anti-drilling. So that's the first one. Oh, that's the second one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so that is the first one. So that's the first one. 2. 3. No, that's 4. Let's get a pick. So that one is that one. And then we've got that one in there. And then that one. The last one. Okay. So just put these down there for now. Right. The fun bit. Let's see what can go wrong. So the first one. That's a spool. That's a really long spool. Another really long spool. Another really long spool. Another really long spool. And then the last one. Another really long spool. And then just be all the springs. So let's just put these right. So there we are. So just zoom in on that. So you can see, so we've got the short one there, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 really long spools. So, you know, I will get in a click on this one, and then because I assume these are small, then yeah, it was a case of that went, you know, jiggled that into place, and then the rest don't need to be picked. But you know, if you could help me on that, I'd be, you know, very grateful. Just for me, it's a bit confusing, but I'm sure somebody will understand it fully. So there we are. Just a bit of a quick one and a bit of a weird one. And if you could help, like I said, great, thank you. Thanks again, everyone, for sticking by. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, please subscribe. Sounds weird saying that, but, you know, we're getting up to nearly 700 subscribers now, which is amazing. Like I said all the time, I never even thought, you know, one person would even watch this, never mind everybody. So thank you so much. So yeah, so thanks everyone, take care, have a good weekend, and I'll see you all again soon. Bye bye.